crime! Free Julian Assange! 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 Free Julian Assange!
The Candles for Assange Vigil in Vienna is looking forward to have the film premiere of the documentary Ithaka next Saturday, very close by in the Burg Kino, right on Opernring 19. We are happy to host this film screening also as a part of the Italian action 24 Hours for Assange. And the film is about the following. WikiLeaks founder Julian Assange, along with The Guardian, The New York Times, Le Monde, Der Spiegel and El País, published evidence of war crimes and has been politically persecuted by the US government for 12 years. As the US demands his extradition, he's been held in Belmarsh Maximum Security Prison in London for 3.5 years. In the US, he would face an unfair trial and 175 years in prison. The persecution of Julian Assange is an attempt to criminalize investigative journalism. The human right to inform and to be informed is under attack. Journalists who might be tempted to be inspired by the work of WikiLeaks, as well as potential whistleblowers, are being intimidated. The film Ithaka documents the struggle of Assange's family, John Shipton, his father, together with Julian's wife, Stella Assange, for the freedom of the WikiLeaks founder. Historical archive footage interwoven with very personal material shows the efforts of the family members in Great Britain, Europe and the USA. They meet supporters worldwide and lobby politicians on Julian's behalf. Subsequent to the Austrian film premiere of Ithaka, next Saturday, 15th of October, quite close in Burg Kino, we have the honor to welcome John Shipton, Julian Assange's father, in person, and also Richard Medhurst, the political commentator and journalist, will join the subsequent question and answering session next Saturday, 15th of October at Burg Kino, Vienna.
Free Julian Assange! Free Julian Assange! Free Julian Assange! Journalism is not a crime! Free Julian Assange! Free Julian Assange! Free Julian Assange!